All right, guys, this is my entry in this year's annual Ugly Lock contest, and this thing is a beast. I bought it from an eBay dealer in Ukraine, so the shipping actually cost me more than the purchase price of the lock, but this thing is really, it's made out of, looks like pot metal, and I really don't know the purpose of these ribs on the front of it. Maybe it was adapted to use some kind of, looks like it's the same size of a mortise cylinder, but there's no way to get the mortise cylinder out of there, and it doesn't look like that. It looks like it's a cast seam, so I really doubt that that's the case. There is some other engraving. It has a very cool looking logo on the front. And on the back, there's also some engraving, but I don't read Russian. But in the past, I had a couple of Russian locks, and you guys told me that sometimes the numbers are the price that's actually molded into the body of the lock. I guess in the bad old days, they decided on price, and that was it forever. Anyway, it does come with a key, and kind of a unique looking key as well. I have no idea what that means. It is a steel key, and it looks like a 4-pinner, and I did try it as soon as it arrived. It does work perfectly, but it doesn't turn very far. It turns like 45 degrees, and then you really got to tug on this thing to get it to come open. Now, when you look down in here, it is kind of interesting because, let me shine a light, there's nothing there right now. And then I'll lock it back up. And now you notice that little horseshoe thing has appeared. And I wish I had one more hand, but I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not. But when you turn the key, that horseshoe thing retracts. And then when it comes out, it engages in this cutout onto the shackle. That's how the locking mechanism works. The point being, of course, that not going to be shimmable. You're going to have to pick this thing. And that's just what I'm going to try to do. Let's give it a shot. It is a Yale-shaped keyway. So let's try to use top of the keyway, and I'll just try to hold this thing in my hand like so. And let me grab a pick. I'm going to try this Attila from Sparrows. So let's see if we can get a good angle here. I'm trying to figure out, we can't go from the bottom. I'm going to have to try to slip around and pick from that edge. So let's try that, see what happens. Couple good clicks, but no turn on the core. Let me find the binder. There's like 3. And there we go. How easy was that? Not so difficult. What a long journey to be picked in a matter of seconds. Kind of sad, but it is a one-of-a-kind Russian lock. Anyway, guys, I appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal, and don't use this guy to lock up your bike. It's intimidating looking, but not a lot inside. Appreciate it, guys.
Lock Lab, where the fun